Hello there, my name is Ahmed Hussein and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to speak about very important thing, and this thing is server performance or your backend performance. Imagine after you build your house and created your rooms, you start to think of creating a party and invite your friends, and your friends decided to unexpectedly bring their friends as well. So there's too many people who arrive at your house, and after they arrive, there will be a shouting situation. People will may feel frustrated and they may leave your house and they never think of attending to your parties again. This is the same scenario that will happen at your server or at your back end. When people trying to send requests to your back end and the waiting time is getting too long and they never get response, they will give up at your service and they will never use it again. So it's very important to understand how Spring Boot works by default. By default, Spring Boot uses Tomcat as a default container. And Tomcat work in a very different way. Tomcat handle requests by creating threads? No, it has already thread pooling system. Tomcat doesn't create a new thread every time that somebody send a request. No, it doesn't create a specific thread for it. No, it has already a pre-created threads that it been used for every request that coming. So when a request come in, Tomcat picks a free thread from the pool, the list of pool threads that it's already available. When the threads finishes, it goes back to the pool for reuse. So think of it like that. Somebody enter your room and it get filled. And in order to someone else to get enter again, this person has to leave. So how are we gonna describe that in our program? So inside my backend, this is our previous code, by the way. In our previous tutorial, you can go and watch it. And let me change a small uh, thing over here. We have already string right here, so let's think of a scenario that we will have a list of strings, and we will need to create a list of string. And let's not forget always that we are using Java, so case sensitive is a must. Let me import my Java utils for this kind of list. And let me create another list and string as well. And this will be equal a new array list. Let me import it from my Java. And let me give it a name. So it will be equal to output. And what else? Now let's try to print out our output. Wait, let me return it. And let me fill it with something called output add. We said it's a string already. Line 1. Let me save it. Let me run my server. And let me open my browser. And right here you'll find line 1. So the server already running. But what if we want to see the threads that already running in the current time? I mean, we need to see what will happen when the request has been done, and how Spring Boot and Tomcat handle the thread. Let me simply provide this in my line. Let me show it to you in my OBS. Let me provide, say, current thread equal. Let me add uh, the thread dot current, sorry, current thread get name. Let me correctly add it. Get name. Let me restart my server. And let me try in my browser. Let me bring my browser in the OBS. And you can see after each refresh I made, it's only 10 threads. So each time request has been made, Tomcat reuse the thread that has been already finished from the request. So it's getting used again and again and again. And this way can be a bottleneck when too many requests happen. The same scenario at what happened at your party. People will wait for too long until they get a response, and they will get feel bored and will never try to use your service again. In the next video, I will show you a solution of how to avoid this and how to use something else other than Tomcat to be better option as your server container. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.